As a mom and a pet parent, I cherish every moment of joy and happiness. But cleaning can be a real struggle. That's why I'm super excited to have discovered the Vactidy Nimble T8. With just a simple command like, Alexa, ask Vactidy Nimble T8 to start vacuuming, this smart robot takes care of all the cleaning for me. It is a true cleaning master with its robust suction. And the best part? It even mops while it vacuums. This is real cleaning. The Nimble T8 is clever too. It knows when to turn up the suction on carpets and avoid edges and stairs for a safe clean every time. I love how this slim robot can go under furniture and into tight spaces. And with a 100-minute runtime and automatic charging, it can clean my entire home without interruptions. The Vactidy Smart app is absolutely convenient. No matter where I am, the robot cleans on my demand. Even when I'm out and about, my home is already sparkling clean when I get back. And it runs quietly. Look, even my dog is at peace with it. With the Nimble T8 cleaning, I can use more time for things I truly love. Relax and say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning.